Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. Now, last year's beaten Jamaica Premier League finalists, the Mount Pleasant FC, are now in Trinidad ahead of their CONCACAF Champions Cup game against the Police FC. Christopher Scott reports.
It's been a long time coming, but Mount Pleasant have finally arrived as the team from St. Anne are set to play their first CONCACAF game outside the island. The 2023 Jamaica Premier League winners will face Police FC of Trinidad and Tobago on Thursday at the Attobolden Stadium. The club is on a 2-game winning run with their latest victory coming against Portmore United in the Jamaica Premier League last Sunday. In the Champions Cup, however, Mount Pleasant have won 1 and lost 1, which makes the upcoming fixture massively important to their hopes of progressing from Group A. Their only victory came against Arnett Gardens at Sabina Park. This is why arriving in the Twin Island Republic 4 days before the game is important, according to head coach Theodore Whitmore.
If we can go in and get in a few sessions, acclimatize, there's a lot of things we have to take into consideration. It's a first trip for some of the players, so going early, get ourselves prepared, the way to go.
Defender Kevin Graham hasn't seen much game time, but he says he's ready if needed.
So it's a rounded squad and it's a long season, so me not playing right now is not really a problem. I just have to keep myself in shape. So whenever the team really calls up on me, I'm fully prepared, ready to play. I don't have a problem right now. We're not playing as long as I'm here to, motivate the players and keep the energy, right? When my time comes, I'm ready.
And goalkeeper Shaquan Davis believes once the players stick together, they will get a positive result.
My expectation is just a good performance for myself and the boys. We're traveling. It's going to be a very difficult match, but as long as we stick together as a team, I think it should be very, very good results.
Mount Pleasant are currently 4th on the table with 3 points, 3 behind leaders Cavalier and 1 behind Real Hope and Police, who are 2nd and 3rd respectively. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.